So wait, what? It's on me. I don't want it to be on me.
Can you use your
Yeah.
phone?
No.
Do you want me to get a kid?
I can't get a kid to use a phone. It says we're live. I'm testing on our internet anyway. So we got this. This came on our doorstep. Wait a minute. Hold on. We have to pretend like we're unboxing it. Right? Let's put it all back. So this came, right? We're not going to put it back, but
I can't get it back.
came from here. Look at this, right? This shows where we live now. Now everybody knows where we live. Great. Stupid internet. But so this came inside of it. Look at it's not. It's right. It's not Facebook's fault. Did that come in there too? Here, show what came.
Oh, yeah, no, I think this is just to. I think this might just be to. Oh no, here it is.
Actually,
Okay,
people
yeah.
watching. Okay.
Okay.
So what came first? Look at this. Wait, there's a glare. Okay, wow. Is that Dan Ruby? Mm-hmm. Is that him? And you said you think he has these tattoos, and look, he's wearing underpants. But
yeah.
uh-oh.
No, I'm not gonna.
You can show. Oh. Okay. There's a. Oh.
But the underwear says Andy Warhol on it. It's funny.
Oh my God.
It's like a
So
like
cool. How
a
conceptual.
combined, and then it's got the oh, is this the? See, I'm gonna get it wrong. Is this the Voyager record? I have a print of this that we need
So
the front.
cool. Yeah, we have to. It's in the other room. That's on my list of things. Look at all that.
Gold record.
Gold record. Oh my God. Wait, what's on the? Let me see. Is that Nancy cartoons on the other side? No. We're really into Nancy now. We're like crazy into Nancy.
Always been into Nancy. It's just
Yeah.
the new Nancy.
The new Nancy is incredible. We're going to talk about
What
it
else?
on Radio Zero.
And then we got
But look at
what is this called?
somebody likes Nancy, I think. Look at
Not
that.
what is this called? I can't remember. That
A
used to be
record?
no, but it's got the. I can't remember. See, I'm
Vinyl?
getting old. No, yeah, like on the back of the cereal boxes.
Somebody could tell us.
You know,
Oh,
flexi
right.
disc.
Oh,
It's a flexi disc.
Flexi disc.
Jesus.
Ooh, who's this? Rotate your phone.
This is great, though, the manual.
Can't turn your phone while you're. Look at that! I got a message from my phone saying not to change it. Wait, put the front. Look at it's a NASA manual
In the
from Dan
style
Ruby and
of
Friends.
yeah, in the style of an manual.
Hey Rick,
Yeah.
RTFM. What's on the first page? Look at that. Oh man, somebody typed it too.
Dan's use of index cards for the lyrics was inspired by Vladimir Nabokov's 1962 novel Pale Fire.
Oh, here.
It's my favorite
Here's the
hypertext.
index.
Yeah, so there
Yeah.
you go. See,
This is amazing. If this was like student work, I'd give it an A++++.
well, it's not. It's the work of a professional artist.
Yeah, look at that. And then that came in here.
Oh yeah, in the
Came in
confidential
here.
envelope.
Yeah, so I was afraid to open it, but then I saw it's
tape.
dressed. Yeah, there's a tape too. God, what did we give him?
And the
That's mine.
letter, nice paper typed. Well, I
Dear
think
friend.
it's not hand typed, but it was originally typed and then printed. Which I love. Oh yeah, and then that's the
at
best
that.
part of the patch.
You think this is the best part? I think I think the manual is the best part, and I love this. This is really cool. Man, Steve Bryant is watching. Here, show him what the penis is showing on. Here, put this back on. There, okay. Show him the comic,
Oh, the building of that.
because Steve Bryant is watching, and he makes comics. Jody's even watching. Look at that. So
We
this is
haven't
a
been gone a week, and
present
people we see
from.
at school are
from a
watching
fan.
us live. Okay.
All right, good. Anything else to say? What are
No.
we eating for lunch? What
Oh,
are
I
you
don't know.
doing?
I'm finishing my grading, just last minute things.
No,
Just
you're
submitting
yeah,
grades.
but we're getting ready to ship records.
Yeah, and
too.
then we're going to be shipping records.
Yeah,
Already started packing up records, so
yeah.
got to start
Anything
printing
else?
out postage.
Got a Aesthetics record right here too, from when those guys stayed over
We're
here.
not shipping that record.
All right, thanks for watching.